Alright, I like this idea better. This is my roll around planter gardener with a spigot, brass spigot there, filled up with soil. I was using a piece of plywood, but this is just not going to cut it, so I had some old weathered 2x6s back here, some old hardware, and I made a heavy duty 2x6 roll around. Right, here it is on the garage floor here. Alright, there we go. Yeah, this is going to work out good. Plants. Alright, just doing a little water test here to check the seams with the Plasti-Dip and the spigot there. So I decided I'd pull the garden hose out and fill it up and let it set and see what happened. Yep, small leak right there. My first impression was, oh no, I'm going to have to drain this and reseal everything. But luckily, after a while, and I'll show you here in a second, looks like it kind of sealed itself. She is just absolutely enthralled by what I'm doing out here. So what I decided to do was get a close-up to show you guys the drip, drip, drip going on here. So I rigged up my camcorder and zoomed it in. Yeah, it looks like it kind of sealed itself a little bit, which is good. So I'm not going to mess with it, just leave it like it is. Yeah, it drains pretty slow, but you know, once you put dirt in there, I'll probably put a screen behind there to keep the dirt from getting in the spigot. Here's my Performix Plasti-Dip. This is what I use for the seams and around the spigot opening there. So, alright guys, hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.